Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 17. This is Section 3.6, Problem 17. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 1/25. So, if any of these convert the fraction to a decimal, if you can use your calculator, just divide the numerator divided by the denominator. 1 divided by 25, you'll get the answer right away. If you cannot use your calculator, write out a division problem. So I make my division symbol. The numerator goes inside the division symbol. The denominator goes in front of the division symbol. So I have 25 divides into 1. Well, 1's not big enough. 25 won't go in. So write the 1 as a 1.0 and treat it as a 10. And when I do that, the decimal has to come straight up. Still won't fit. 10's not big enough to fit at 25. So it really goes in 0 times. So 0 times 25 is 0, and I subtract 10 minus 0 is still 10. But now what's going to happen, since it didn't go in evenly, I'm going to add another 0 on the top and pull it straight down. And that 10 with the 0 after it is 100. Now 25 will divide into 100 nicely. 4 times 25 is 100. So I put a 4 on the top. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 2 more that I carried is 10. Or I just remember that 4 times 25 is 100. But anyway, you wind up with 100 minus 100, which is 0. So it went in evenly. So the answer is 0.04. So 1/25 as decimal is 0.04. And with all of these, if you don't have the number in front, you can write 0.04 if you like. Or you can just write 0.04.